I welcome you to another moment with Mrs. Michael. Sure, you all had a beautiful night's rest. Today, we'll be looking into the instruction, another section in the part 3, section 2, 2024 WAEC question. The instruction says, choose the word that has the same consonant sound. The same consonant, same consonant, same consonant. It's different from vowel. Okay, today we'll be looking into the same consonant sound. Now we have the example part. We have 10 and the sound is underlined. If you listened to the video, the class I posted here yesterday, you would see that we have treated all these sounds. So to make easy assimilation, okay? Now the first question, the first example, the example here is 10, 10 with the underlined, okay? Now we have options. The first option I have here is depot, D-E-P-O-T is sounded, pronounced as depot, depot. Next I have listen, option B, listen, listen. Next I have A-T-T-A-C-K, attack, attack. And lastly I have crescent, crescent, okay? C-H-R-I-S-T-E-N, crescent. Look through the options, you would see that we have T in all the options. The first option, depot, with a T there, no, the T in depot is not depot. P-O-T is pot, and some would say depot. No, whichever way you pronounce it, but the correct pronunciation is depot. The T is silent, it is useless there. Next we have listen. Say listen, listen, okay? The T there is silent, all right? Next we have attack, 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 attack. If you pay attention, you would hear the sound too in my pronunciation, attack. Lastly, we have crescent, 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 sen, crescent, child christening, child christening, not christening of child, or christening, no, christening, crescent, crescent, sen, crescent. Do you understand me? All right, looking through the options, you would hear that the only option that has the sound in it is the attack. Am I correct? Which automatically means that the correct option here is option C, attack. Now, still the same instructions, same consonant sound, same consonant sound. The sound must be the same. Are you listening? The first question, number 16, under this section, number 16, we have E-S-C-A-P-E. E-S-C-A-P-E is what? Escape, 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 cape, ape, escape. Now the sound I need you to pay attention to is the underlined, which is what? The letter S-C is underlined, and it is pronounced as what? Escape, escape, blend it, okay? The first option there is L-A-C-K-S. It's sounded as lax, lax, lax. Don't forget that the sound we need is sk and not ks, sk. Now, is there sound sk in this option? I leave that to you to decide. Next, I have E-X-A-C-T. E-X-A-C-T. Exact, 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 exact. Okay, and don't forget that the sound we need is what? is what? Sk, sk. Now the next option here is SCENE. SCENE is what? Do you say skin? No. SCENE is sin. 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 Okay? And lastly, we have SCHOOL. That's option D. SCHOOL is school. School. Okay? And the sound from it is school. 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 Option A. The sound from that word is ks, lax. Next we have igs, igs, igs. Next we have s. And lastly we have sk. The question says escape, cape, sk, escape, sk, sk. Now of these four options, which matches the sound? Definitely it is glaring. It is the option D. Do we understand? Good. So that is for question 16. Next I have question 17. Question 17, still the same instructions that says the same consonant sound. It must be the same. The words must produce the same sound. Are we understanding? Do we get it? So here we have CHUTE. CHUTE is pronounced as shit. Shit. Okay? Shit. As found in parachute. Shit. Do we understand? Shit. 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 The letter underlined in CHUTE is letter CH. Letters CH. CH. Sh. Okay? And the sound coming from the CH, if you listened to yesterday's class, you would find that it is the sound. It is not mandatory. No rule stated that it must always produce the ch sound. There are times it would give you the sh sound as found in champagne, even though champagne begins with CH. Alright? Even, do you understand? So here we have shit, underlined CH, underlined CH, underlined CH. Now the first option we have here is LOCH, luck, luck, luck. Luck is, I think, a synonym to lake. Okay, a bay, lake. So LOCH is sounded as luck. Okay, next we have usual, not usual. The usual, the you. Okay, the usual, usual. Okay, next we have sugar, 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 not sugar, sugar, g. And lastly, we have CHOOSE, choose. The sound from the S. Whenever you see your S, sit comfortably between two vowels. Just know that it demands for a Z sound. Okay? Choose. Now, the underlined sound in the question is CH. CH is underlined. CH is underlined. And the sound from that CH in the word is sh. Now the sound from the first option LOCH, the sound from it is k. The second option j. The third option sh. And lastly we have z, choose. Now, which of these options matches the underlined? Luck, usual, sugar, and choose. It says what? Sugar. All right, I remain Mrs. Michael. I am available to all your questions. Reply to all videos I post here. Ask questions. Ask. Please ask questions. And do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel following the link in the comment section. Thank you for having me. Look forward to another class tomorrow. Catch you.